There are three methods of marking or flagging report information to merge into a summary document. The most automated method is by using the ratings for summary. If you are using ratings for your form group, this method automatically flags the comment field for summary at the same time you tick off the rating that is set to do so. Different ratings may be set to copy your comment to the same or different summary areas. The area stands out in the main report because of the printed rating and may also be transferred to your summary. See our other video and tips article about how to use ratings for summary. However, if you are not using ratings in your form group at all, or are using ratings but prefer a more manual method of marking information for summary, there are other options that may be used: marked fields or styles. Note that if you are already using forms that are set to use rated items for summary, you would need to use the Preferences Modify Ratings to turn that off. Let's do that now. This report happens to use that type of summary method. So we will go to Preferences, Modify Ratings, Summary tab, and we will turn off the option that is currently using selected ratings to build the summary. Once we have done that, the summary menu now has the options to mark a field for various summary areas. For instance, the field we were on, if we select Summary 1, we have just marked this field for Summary 1. The Materials and Condition area is now marked for Summary 1. Most inspectors use only one main summary area to designate all major deficiencies they may find, although other kinds of summary items or areas may optionally be used. When automatic ratings are not used for summary, Summary Preferences area provides some additional options. We would go to the Summary Method tab, and we would see we have a couple ways to manually mark items for summary: Marked Summary Field and Summary Styles. Marked Summary Fields method quickly flags entire inspection fields for summary and conveniently displays the summary area number next to the comment area, as you just saw demonstrated. This other method, Summary Styles, automatically formats specific comments you highlight in the report itself to a particular print style. For example, the setup shown here would turn comments that were marked for Summary 1 area to red text in the main report. This would make them stand out only in the report body this way, while also marking the information to transfer to summary as plain text that formats according to the general print styles that you may set up using this tab. No summary numbers are displayed when using styles. When merging to summary when styles method is used, the software simply locates all the comments throughout the report that are formatted exactly to the style matching the summary area. If other comments in the same field are not styled that way, they are not included. However, since multiple styles cannot be used together in the same field for mobile reports, usually the marked fields or ratings are the preferred methods. The Summary Preferences Help topic has more information about the differences between marked fields and styles methods, as well as other summary preferences. Once a regular report has been created, note that you also cannot switch between these marking methods for that existing report. So if you decide to adjust the marking options here, then after making the changes you would need to start a brand new report to test or use them. You may, however, easily turn off or on the use of ratings for summary for any existing report if its forms are using ratings. In this case, let's cancel and return to the main report where the marked field method is still in effect. Let's go to another field and also mark it for summary. Once again, you'll notice the little summary area designation appears at its side. Regardless of which way you may flag items for summary, whether you're using ratings, marked fields, or summary styles, you may use the Summary menu, View Summary, to preview all of the items that you have already marked for summary in your report, and you may do this at any time. Notice that the 2 report items that we marked for Summary 1 are shown here. You may also use the Summary Preferences print styles that we saw earlier to adjust how the summary information looks and what elements will be included when viewed and merged. For instance, whether the form name, headings, or subheadings are also included. Of course, any unneeded comments can also be removed and their wording tweaked once your final summary document is attached and merged for the report without affecting the body of the report itself. 3D Inspection System software lets you decide if you want to use automatic ratings for summary or choose a manual option for marking information for summary as you inspect.